Forget the Eiffel Tower, Times Square, overrated. You want real adventure? Ditch the tourist traps. This ain't about selfies and souvenirs. We're diving deep, finding places that steal your breath, not your wallet. Places that whisper stories, not itineraries. Ready? Let's go. Ever stood on a mountaintop, the world stretched out beneath you, feeling utterly insignificant and totally alive? That's the feeling we're chasing. No crowds, just you and the raw, untamed beauty of somewhere extraordinary. Think ancient ruins swallowed by jungles, turquoise waters lapping at volcanic shores, bustling markets fragrant with spices you can't pronounce. This is for the wanderers, the curious, the ones who measure their journeys not in miles, but in moments that make you feel truly alive. So, ditch the guidebook, forget the checklist, and come with me. Let's get lost. Peru. Everyone wants to climb Machu Picchu. But what about the Rainbow Mountains, the floating islands of Lake Titicaca? Peru is a feast for the senses, a tapestry woven from ancient cultures and breathtaking landscapes. Venture beyond the well-trodden path and discover the sacred valley's hidden villages, where time seems to stand still. Hike through cloud forests teeming with life, marvel at the Nazca lines etched onto the desert floor, or lose yourself in the Amazon's emerald embrace. This is for the adventurers, the history buffs, the nature lovers. Trek through ancient ruins, kayak across high-altitude lakes, and savor the flavors of authentic Peruvian cuisine. Peru rewards the curious, offering a journey that's as enriching as it is exhilarating. Kyrgyzstan. Ever heard of it? Most haven't. Nestled in the heart of Central Asia, it's a land of soaring mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and nomadic traditions that have survived for centuries. This is the real deal, folks. Imagine horseback riding across vast steppes, sleeping under a sky ablaze with stars, sharing stories and laughter with nomadic families around a crackling fire. This is a place where you can truly disconnect, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and experience a way of life that's both humbling and inspiring. This is for the intrepid traveler, the adventure seeker, the cultural enthusiast. Trek through the Tian Shan Mountains, camp beside alpine lakes, and immerse yourself in the nomadic culture of eagle hunters and yurt dwellers. Kyrgyzstan is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Section 4, the Albanian Riviera, Europe's best kept secret. Forget the crowded beaches of the French Riviera. The Albanian Riviera is where it's at. Think secluded coves lapped by turquoise waters, ancient ruins perched on cliffs overlooking the Ionian Sea, and vibrant coastal towns bursting with character. Explore the ancient ruins of Butrint, relax on the pristine beaches of Kasamil, or hike through the Logara National Park, where the mountains meet the sea. The Albanian Riviera is a place where you can escape the crowds, soak up the Mediterranean sun, and experience the warmth of Albanian hospitality. This is for the beach bums, the history buffs, the foodies. Savor fresh seafood, explore hidden coves by kayak, and wander through charming villages where life moves at a slower pace. The Albanian Riviera is a slice of paradise that feels undiscovered and unspoiled. Section 5. Bhutan, finding serenity in the Himalayas. Bhutan, the land of the thunder dragon. High in the Himalayas, this tiny kingdom measures its progress in happiness, not GDP. Monasteries cling to cliffs, prayer flags flutter in the wind, and the air hums with a sense of peace and tranquility. Trek to the Tiger's Nest Monastery, witness the colorful masked dances of Bhutanese festivals, or simply lose yourself in the serenity of the Himalayan landscape. Bhutan is a place to disconnect from the modern world, reconnect with yourself, and experience a culture that values happiness above all else. This is for the spiritual seeker, the nature lover, the adventurer. Hike through pristine forests, meditate in ancient monasteries, and immerse yourself in a culture that's both deeply spiritual and incredibly welcoming. Bhutan is a journey for the soul, a chance to find peace and inspiration in the heart of the Himalayas. Section 6. Pack your bags and embrace the unexpected. So there you have it. 5 incredible destinations that are off the beaten path waiting to be discovered. Places that will challenge you, inspire you, and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, embrace the unexpected, and get out there. The world is waiting.